Let's take a look at the amphitheater. No bugs at the St. Augustine Amphitheater because it's too windy for bugs out there. At the amphitheater right now, winds are gusting to 25. They may lay it down a little bit. A lot of clouds, but again, if you have plans to go, although maybe Willie's not going to be saying nothing but blue skies, I don't think rain is going to be a problem, and you won't be overheating either with temperatures down there at 62 degrees. That's pretty representative of how the weather is along the islands. That is from about 60 to 64 degrees, but it is still gusty. In fact, earlier today, winds were gusting up to about 30, now about 25. That's going to hold through the evening. Well off to the southwest of Jacksonville, Gainesville, Interlochen made it to 70. Elsewhere, though, temperatures were about 20 degrees cooler than yesterday, and you combine it with the wind and wind chill factors in the 30s. So here it is. We talked about the cutoff lows were going to start to form because of a major western hemispheric shift, and that happened yesterday, and this cutoff low was over the Sacramento area. That's why they had that major hailstorm. Now it's all the way down south, and although a lot of this is rain, if you look closely here, even in some of the hills just away from the coast, they're seeing a mixed bag of sleet, snow, and hail all the way down to the U.S.-Mexican border. And that's just a sign of the wild weather I talked about yesterday that we're going to be seeing around many areas of the nation. What about here? A lot of clouds, but these are the showers that went through last night. That's when it was a cool front, but it being a cool front will come back at us as a warm front by tomorrow. Again, we have the gusty northeast winds, but they're going to lay down overnight, and by tomorrow the winds will drop. Eventually they're going to come around to the southeast. So even on the islands, where right now wind chill factors are in the 50s, tomorrow they're going to make it to 70 degrees. Over land, still 70s over the islands, but officially looking for 80, and there will be some middle 80s tomorrow afternoon, especially back around Interlochen and over toward the Suwannee River Valley, and then even warmer on Thursday. But then comes a cold front Friday. Maybe you're already making weekend plans. If you simply want dry weather, mostly blue skies and fresh winds, I think you're going to love this weekend. But just be prepared for the temperatures. Remember, this last weekend, the last one of February, we had lows in the 60s. This weekend, Saturday, 65 after a morning low of 46 degrees. So again, if you like the cool, invigorating weather, that's how Saturday and Sunday will be. Sunday, maybe just a few more clouds around, but notice at least inland areas down to about 42 degrees. In fact, I wouldn't be surprised at all if on Sunday, you folks northwest of the Okefenokee might even see some upper 30s. Okay, so promised wild weather as we head into March, and here we go. So chilly out there now with the winds, but by tomorrow, 80, middle 80s, maybe some upper 80s on Thursday, the first day of March, but it's going to be windy. Then on Friday, we cool down. There's Saturday and Sunday. We talked about that. That cool weather holds through about Monday, and then we head back the other way. So the wild, windy roller coaster has begun, and it's going to be with us for a while.